Another day, another chance, another way, another dance. Today I'll be discussing to you all about, the quiz that I'm going to be doing right now. And stuff. Right now and stuff. And so which of the following is the default port HTTP in Java Pro networking communications 80? Java network, which of the following classes is used to implement the client-side socket. So the socket class used to create a client-side socket for TCP connections. Which of the following is true about TCP transmission control protocol architecture? It provides error checking and data flow control. TCP is a connection-oriented protocol which ensures reliable data delivery through error checking, flow control, and acknowledgement. What does UDP stand for in Java networking? Use datagram protocol. A connections protocol used for fast data transmission. What's the primary difference between TCP and UDP in terms of data delivery? TCP provides reliable data delivery, while UDP does not guarantee delivery. Yep, it's very reliable, whereas UDP's connection is so obviously it doesn't guarantee like delivery. Right? It's used for sending UDP packets. So it's socket is used for sending and receiving UDP packets. And Java networking. So what is the main advantage of using UDP over TCP? Low overhead and fast transmission. UDP has lower overhead and fast transmission because it is connectionless and does not require the overhead of establishing a connection and ensuring reliable delivery. So which of the following IP version is known for having larger address space compared to its predecessors? IPv6. IPv6 has a larger address space than IPv4 with 1 to 8-bit addresses compared to IPv4's 32-bit addresses. The following is a key feature of the TCP protocol. Okay. Okay. The acknowledgement I received, that sounded like a disadvantage. Prevents an unordered delivery of packets. Just reliable delivery of data packets used for streaming media. C. Just reliable ordered delivery of data packets. Mechanisms like retransmission, acknowledgement, error detection. IPv6 addresses presented as 1 to 8-bit hexadecimal numbers typically written as 8 groups of 4 hexadecimal digits. And then another one, a computer answer the questions and then accuracy is 100%. No. So yeah, take care and have a great day. So yeah. You have completed 10 out of 10 questions. Your accuracy is 100%.